Hi guys, this is my stage design. I did it on an 11 by 17 sheet of paper, so it was a little bit bigger, and I wanted to do an overhead shot just so it was easier to kind of point to and for you guys to see. So yeah, I decided to do a proscenium stage, which really incorporates this middle line as kind of your guide. So these are the side, which would be I guess the side beams. This is my actual stage. Here's some lighting above, which is the first, second, and third electric that holds the lights. With the plaster line as a guider, we also have the center line. So this is the bottom as well, just if we're going over the outline. The apron is what sits in front of the stage. And then this is the audience. So the audience, it kind of seems like the exact same size as the stage. I'm a little off scale, but I wanted it to seem like that. And here is my curtain. And then I'll go a little closer. So what I did was drew lines that would basically be the stage walls. And so I incorporated all of the props and descriptions from Act 1. So these are my walls, and this is the other locations. So the entryway, entryway over here, the study where Torvald enters from, the piano in between is what it was described as, some other props like the china case, the wood stove that was burning, and my two characters, Torvald and Nora. There were a couple other characters, but I did just incorporate them on these two pages because they're the only ones with dialogue. And so I positioned them next to each other because she enters from this way and he enters from this way. And so I'm guessing that they were just mainly in this room for most of the act, just next to one another. I decided to put a rug because it just described it as a carpeted room, and so I just wanted to put a rug in there because I felt like if I filled in the whole thing with a color, then everything else wouldn't show very well. And so yeah, this is my scene. I decided to do the first two pages like I described over here because I felt like that kind of went over the main theme that I used in my analysis, which was appearance versus reality and what Nora was going for, and also just how they focus a lot on finances in the beginning. And then also I felt like this beginning scene on these pages described kind of the sexism theme as well. So yeah, this is my stage, and I'll go just a little bit closer so you can see everything. Again, I used every prop that was in the Act 1 description. And then I just went off of our video that we learned about this kind of stage and just followed kind of those important factors. So yeah, thanks guys.